Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I am a makeup artist. If you want to see how I created this beautiful glam on one of my best friends for her photo shoot, stay tuned. Alright, to start off this look, I am starting off with an eye base. This is MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. I always like to use an eye base because it helps with the longevity of the look. Since this look is going to be professionally shot, I like to do cream products before I go ahead and go in with any powder products. Next product I'm going in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil Base 1. This just helps to highlight under the brow bone and clean up any eyeshadow that was taken up too far. Blend that out with a flat concealer brush. So my friend Elizabeth has the prettiest eyebrows, just naturally full and gorgeous. However, since this is a photo shoot, I am going to fill them in using the City Color Bold Brow Duo. Just a little bit of color to make them a little fuller, cover up any sparse areas. Time for eyeshadow. I went in with the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I'm not too sure this shade names because I did depot my palettes, so they're all together. But all of these shades that I'm using are from Natasha Denona palettes. They just happen to be like different shades of brown. So I'm going in with a very light shade, and then I'm going to go in with a deeper shade and a deeper shade, and yeah, just like that until everything is nice and blended. From Wander Beauty, I am picking up this palette and just applying the bright gold right on the lid, and then going back in with a dark brown eyeshadow just to blend those two together and give the eye more depth. Next shade I'm picking up is just a sparkly glitter shade from the Natasha Denona Gold palette and just applying that with my finger. So Beth did come in with moisturizer, so I am just applying the Makeup Forever Skin Booster all over her skin. This is just going to help create a more plump and moisturized base for me to work with. Before I get started with foundation work, I'm going to go ahead and conceal any blemishes that she has. The concealer I like to use is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. When I'm doing this, I also like to carve out the top portion of her brow. For foundation today, I am taking my RCMA palette. This is one of my favorite palettes to use. It's just a neutral palette, but then it does come with a blue and an orange shade, as well as black and white to kind of mix in and get that exact tone that you're looking for. I love RCMA foundation. It just looks like skin and it stays all day and it's just beautiful. It's one of my favorite foundations. So I like to initially go in with a brush just to lay the product down, and then I like to go in with a wet sponge just to really press it into the skin and make sure that the skin really soaks that product up. I'm just going in with a lighter shade of that same RCMA foundation just to brighten up the under eye, forehead, and chin area. It is time to add some warmth to the skin. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in the shade Truffle just to warm up her skin a little bit. I notice any dryness, I go ahead and spray some setting spray just to melt everything together and bring some hydration back to the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with two of my favorite liquid blush products. These are from Miss A, Shop Miss A. They are super, super inexpensive, and they have become one of my favorite products ever. So I'm using two different shades, and I am just applying that to her cheek. Okay, so now that all my cream products are on the skin, I just like to go back in with my damp beauty blender or sponge and just further press everything into the skin. So next I'm going in with a waterproof mascara. I typically use waterproof mascaras for any sort of event. I find that regular mascara just kind of can get messy and create black smudges over the makeup, so I always want to try my best to avoid that. After a few coats of mascara, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some lashes. These are also from Shop Miss A. I've really been enjoying their products, and I think I got these eyelashes for like $2, but super great quality and very inexpensive. I highly recommend. So next, before I set her whole face, I'm going to go ahead and lightly set with a pressed powder. This is from Maybelline. This is just the Fit Me Smooth powder. To line her waterline today, I'm using the Milani 16-hour black eyeliner. And then I'm just going to take the same eyeshadows that I used on her lid and smudge them underneath her eye as well. To set the rest of her face, I'm going in with a mixture of the Coty Airspun, the Ben Nye Translucent, and the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. I'm just going to go in and warm up her cheeks with some Bahama Mama bronzer, as well as the Aesthetica bronzer. For blush today, I am going in with a mixture of the Tarte Doll Face blush, as well as the Phase Zero blush trio. It's a peachy color. I don't remember the name and it rubbed off, but this is one of my favorite blushes. For lips today, I'm going in with this brown lip liner from Sephora. It's from the Sephora collection. I really love doing lips because for me, like, lashes and lips just really complete a look. For lipstick, I went ahead and went in with the MAC Viva Glam 5. This is one of my staple products in my kit. I love this lipstick so much. It's such a pretty color. So after I apply the lipstick, I like to go back in with a lip liner just to define the lips more. This is the LA Girl Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner. I don't know if that's true. Okay, so I did double check, and it is the LA Girl Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner. And then I'm also going to go in with the Ben Nye Mahogany lip liner too. And that is it for today's glam session. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your views. I know I'm not consistent and I don't upload as much as I should, but yeah, these are how gorgeous her pictures turned out. The photography was done by Jennifer Chavez. She's located in Taos. I highly recommend her. She's one of my favorite photographers to work with. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.